Omotara Johnson.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ọmọ pé àjẹ́ kan kó sí mi lórí ń sìn.
Àjẹ́ wo ni?
Fún mi ní ọwọ́ ẹ̀ jẹ́ ń fi àjẹ́ ẹ̀ wá.
Ṣé máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ Túndé?
Fún mi ní ọwọ́ ẹ̀ Olúwa kẹ́mi. Will you marry me?
Ènìyàn ò lè dáyé ṣe akẹ́ni mọ́ni. Adáwọ̀ adábọ̀ṣọ́ o, ẹ ṣọ́ra ṣe. Ìgbẹ̀yìn àrògàn ara mi o. Fóníyà ni ó jẹ́ ìtọ́jú ẹ̀
Hello. Kẹ́mi, báwo ni? Ṣé wàá okay? Túndé. Báwo ṣe wàá okay? Meet fiance mi. His name is Ṣẹ́gun Dáìró. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé mo tẹ̀sí wá bí mo ṣe máa rí ẹ rí lì Ọlọ́run ló dẹ̀ náà máa pàdé bíbá ilé ni. Next month ni wedding wa. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mi ò lè ti bridesmaid mi anything tí bá ṣe fún ẹ má bínú ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Má bínú. In fact, inú mi really dùn fún ẹ méjèèjì gan. Mo bá ṣe exchange ring yìí. I'm so happy for you. Oh, that's good. Kí wọn náà káwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi ó máa ń tijú gan-an torí ẹ̀ lè ṣe ń wò bẹ́yìn. All right, màmá rí ilé ìta kẹ́mi máa rí ilé ìta ṣe ti gbọ́ ó ṣèdí à. All right, Túndé bye. Let's go.
People are joking now, like this is something.
Because this kind of voice is original. You can hear this kind of voice everywhere in the world. He's talented, he's gifted, and as a matter of fact, beyond being a singer, he sells Ashley's in the house. I know that my father's in the house. And Rokel Joe is in the house. Mama herself is in the house. God bless you. Rokel, Momo, correct me. You only Rokel. Como pay, do you know what? Ladies and gentlemen, please give yourself a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, if you look at the setting and everything, you can see. Wait now. Daddy ló sọ. Àní bàbá. Wọ́n lè gbàdọ̀. Èmi làdọ̀. Ọlọ́run tẹ̀ ṣe ládùn. Ọmọ pàdé òun fún ẹ̀ lákọ̀ òun lábọ̀. Alibaba, tàbí yóò kọ́ làdọ̀. Imu ìlú ni language. You say wait, they say you like that. Now it is your turn. Okay. And in your case, I will use the theme of.
They go. Una dey see say she dey come, una shift back. We didn't say don't take, but give us space, please.
Space.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Is divine.
Thank you. Now, we are slowly.
Okay.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Come back, Mr. Badini.
I'm here.
Absolutely. You rejoice. You have asked.
You can get our number of here. Go one. Okay. But well done. Always proud of.
Wow, we came late.
Àwọn mélòó la fẹ́ àwọn mélòó la máa yẹ. Hold on, wait a minute. One more time. Thank you and God bless you.
No pasa nada.
Okay. Are we ready? Okay. Where's the entrance? Hey, don't rush me. The wireless is here. Wireless is here. Yeah, move.
Answer the manager. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, man.
How about you guys just
Okay.
And I'm a fan of my best color.
Okay.
And because Buki Rice is one of my favorite people,
Okay.
I decided to do my favorite color.
I mean, you look gorgeous tonight now. So if you could see one word, Omotara Johnson, what would that be? If you could describe her in one word, what would that be?
Fierce.
Fierce, right?
Yeah.
So what are your expectations for this movie, man?
I'm not expecting anything.
Media, ẹsẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe níwọ̀n máa kẹ́kẹ́ wájú ilé ẹjọ́ ẹ̀yin media.
Ẹjọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin media yẹn ẹjọ́ ká lè sí ẹ̀ka ara wa.
I'm a young level, follow me, don't go. I'm a life I'm on you. Yeah, follow me, that come, baby, don't give up on me, for real. Cause now you.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀ ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.